How to fix Viber activation failed error on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Viber activation error on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there can be a few reasons why it gives you such error, and one of them can be your internet connection. So make sure that you're connected to your internet and you have a good connection. You can head over to your Wi-Fi and check for your connection. You can even try disconnecting and then connecting back into your Wi-Fi again. Even after you do that, if it does not work, what you'll need to do is you might want to check your phone number in your Viber. Now, if you have an incorrect number in your Viber, that can also be the reason why you are getting the error. Now, if none of those are the problem that you're facing, what you can do is head over to the App Store, and on the App Store, simply search for Viber. Now, sometimes that there might be an update available for Viber, but you simply have not updated it. And due to that, you might have some bugs, and that can result in the activation error. So you can check that out. If you have an update, simply tap on update to update your Viber. After doing that, if it still does not work, you can head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, head over to general, and on general, head over to iPhone storage, and on iPhone storage, simply search for Viber. After you find Viber, you can tap on offload app and then offload the app and then reinstall it back again. And that will solve your problem, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.